Hi, this is Brad with Regal Rexnord. I'm here at Modex 2022. A lot has changed in the last 2 years. Regal Corporation has merged together with Rexnord Power and Motion Control to form Regal Rexnord. That allows us now to provide powertrain solutions, electromechanical in nature, that are tailored to your application. It's all done so that you can energy efficiently convert power into motion. A great example of that is our ModSort technology, where we've actually built the motion control into the surface of the belt. Now we wrap that all together with our perceptive condition monitoring, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence so that you can maximize the health of your equipment. So please come visit us. We're in Hall B, Booth 9002. Thank you.